Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn another topic, new topic, relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. In the previous video, draw a quadratic polynomial, find zeros and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. In this video, zeros are given, just verify and after that relation verify. Okay, first of all, relation. General form of the cubic polynomial. General form of the cubic polynomial is p of x equal to ax power of 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the general form of the cubic polynomial. Next one, every quadratic cubic polynomial has maximum 3 zeros. Let the zeros is one of the alpha, one of the beta, one of the gamma. Okay, so next one, alpha is one of the 0, then p of alpha equal to 0. Beta is also 0, so p of beta equal to 0, and gamma is also one of the 0, so p of gamma equal to 0. Okay, so we know that in 9th class factorization theorem, p of alpha is equal to 0, x minus alpha is the one of the factor, x minus beta is the second factor, x minus gamma is the third factor. Okay, from the factor theorem. Okay, x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma is 3 are factors of the cubic polynomials. So therefore the p of x is equal to k times of x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. Okay students, p of x is equal to k times of x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. Okay, observe the screen. So ax cube equal to bx square plus cx plus d equal to left side, right side k times of x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. Find the product of the x minus alpha into x minus beta. So their product is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta plus x into alpha into beta and x minus gamma. So three factors are multiplied, their product, and kx cube minus k times of alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square, k times of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and last one is the k times of alpha into beta into gamma. Okay students, next one, left side right side equal to the coefficients of the x cube terms. So x cube terms, observe that a equal to k. First one is the a equal to k. X cube coefficients are equal. Next, x square coefficients, in the left side b, right side minus k times of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, this is the terms are equal. Here minus k is the multiply, transpose to the left side, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by k. Here from the equation 1, k equal to a, so therefore sum of the zeros equal to minus b by a. This is the first relation, sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Next one, x coefficients, c equal to k times of alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha. Next one, so here k is multiply the terms right side, transpose to the left side. So sum of the zeros of the two zeros, so alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by k equal to c by a. Next one, so constants are equal, d equal to minus of k times of alpha into beta into gamma, minus k is also transposed to the left side, product of zeros alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by k. Here k is equal to a, therefore minus d by a. Okay students, so first one is the first zeros is the first relation is the sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Second one is the alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Okay, next third one is the product of zeros alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. These three relations verify each and every question. Okay students, first question, verify whether 4 minus 2 1 by 2 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial and verify the relation between zeros and the coefficients. Okay, first of all write the given polynomial. Given polynomial p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. Next one, substitute the first one is p of 4. P of 4 equal to 2 times of x cube. X cube means 4 cube minus 5 into x square, so 4 square, minus 14 into 4 plus 8. Okay, so 2 times of 4 cube equal to 64 minus 5 into 4 square equal to 16 minus 14 4 ja 56 plus 8. Okay, so 264 ja 128 minus 516 ja 80 plus minus 56 plus 8. Here 128 and plus 8, these two are positive, these two are negative. So 128 plus 8 136 minus 80 minus 56 minus 136. So 136 minus 136 is equal to 0. Therefore p of 4 equal to 0. First 0 is the verified. Next one, p of minus 2. P of minus 2. Okay, so same, 2 times of minus 2 cube minus 5 times of minus 2 whole square minus 14 times of minus 2, last one is the plus 8. Same, 2 times of minus 2 cube equal to minus 8. Okay, 3 times 5 times of minus 2 square means plus 4, minus into minus plus, 14 2 ja 28 plus 8. Okay, 2 into minus 8 minus 16. Next one, minus 4 5 ja 20 plus 28 plus 8 36. Next one, minus 16 minus 20 minus 36 plus 36. Minus 36 plus 36 equal to 0. Therefore p of minus 2 equal to 0. Okay students, p of minus 2 equal to 0. Next, third one, p of 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2. Same, substitute the right side. 2 times of 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 2 whole cube minus 5 times of 1 by 2 whole square. Next, minus 14 times of 1 by 2 and plus 8. Okay, so 2 times of 1 by 2 whole cube, numerator cube 1 cube, 1, denominator cube 8. Okay, next 5 times of 1 by 2 whole square, so 1 by 4. Here minus 14 1 ja 14 by 2, so minus 7 plus 8, minus 7 plus 8. Here 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, so 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 and minus 7 plus 1, these two are integers, so their sum is equal to plus 1. Here 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4, these two are like fractions, their difference is minus 4 by 4 equal to minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore third one is also 0 of the given polynomial. Okay students, first one p of 4 equal to 0 and second one p of minus 2 equal to 0. Third one p of 1 by 2 is also 0. These three zeros are the given are verified. Next one, relation check. Okay, next, here first of all write the again p of x equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. Here write the coefficients. X cube coefficients a equal to 2, x coefficients b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to constant, x coefficient is minus 14, constant d is equal to 8. Next one, write the zeros. One is the first one is the alpha, second one is the beta equal to minus 2 and gamma is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, next one, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha means 4 plus minus 2 plus 1 by 2. So first one is the 4 plus minus 2 equal to 2, 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is written in the minus half minus 5 by 2. Okay, plus 5 equal to minus half minus 5 by 2. Here observe the coefficient minus 5 is b, 2 is a. So minus b by a is the first one. Is sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. This one is the correct. Next, second one, alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha. Second relation. So alpha into beta means 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Okay, 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 by 2, right in the bracket. Third one, 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 2 into 4. So 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus into here cancel, minus 1, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, so 2. Minus 8 minus 1 plus 2, their sum is equal to minus 9 plus 2, minus 7. Minus 7 is the product, write the minus 14 by 2, change to minus 14 by 2. Minus 14 is the C, 2 is the A, C by A. This one is also correct. Okay na? Second relation is alpha into beta plus beta into gamma, gamma into alpha is also C by A. The third relation is product of zeros, alpha into beta into gamma. So alpha 4 into minus 2 into 1 by 2. Their product is equal to minus 8 by 2. Observe the coefficients. 8 is the D, 2 is the A, minus D by A. This one is also correct. Okay. So zeros are verified and relation also verified. Okay students. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus B by A. Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is also C by A. The third one is product of zeros, alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus D by A. Okay, thank you students. In the next video, another example 7 question. Write the answer. Minus 4 by 4 plus 4 by 4 equal to 0. Last one. These 3 zeros are verified. Next one. Relation. So zeros alpha equal to 4, beta equal to minus 2, gamma is equal to 1 by 2. Given polynomial, coefficients also write. Sum of zeros first one. So minus b by a. Second one, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma, gamma into alpha is equal to minus c by a. Third one, product of zeros, alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus d by a. Okay. Write the notebook. Thank you students. Like, share and subscribe my channel.